In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your domain name with Hostinger. Whether you're rebranding your site, want a more concise URL, or simply wish to switch things up, understanding how to correctly update your domain is crucial. Let's dive right in. To begin the process, head over to your H-panel. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Websites section. Here you'll see a list of all the websites currently hosted in your account. Identify the site for which you want to change the domain name. When you've found it, direct your attention to the far right where you'll see a little menu icon. Click on this to reveal a drop-down menu, and from there, select Change Domain. It's a straightforward start, but there's a critical step ahead. Now, before you click away on anything else, you'll be shown a warning message. This alert isn't just a formality, it's packed with important information. The message explains that if you decide to proceed with changing your domain, any email data that's currently associated with your old domain will be deleted. Additionally, all existing DNS records will be reset. This is a pivotal consideration, so be sure to back up any crucial email data you don't want to lose and take note of any custom DNS settings that might need reconfiguring after the change. With these important points in mind, it's time to choose your new domain. You'll have two options here. You can either pick a new domain from a drop-down list if you've preset options, or you can enter a domain that you've previously pointed toward Hostinger. If you're typing in a custom domain, make sure it's correctly pointed towards Hostinger's servers. Double-check the spelling, because launching a website with a misspelled domain can cause a lot of confusion and extra work down the line. Once you've made your choice or entered the new domain name, go ahead and click Change. With this step, the process is underway, but now it's key to be patient. Domain name changes, much like fine wine, take time. The DNS update can take up to 24 hours to fully propagate across the internet. During this window, visitors might still see your site at the old domain or might encounter a temporary disruption. This is normal, so don't worry if things seem to waver a bit. And there you have it. You've successfully initiated the process to change your Hostinger domain name. The digital world moves fast, but with these steps, you'll be seamlessly transitioning in no time at all. Just keep this video handy and follow along as needed. Thanks for tuning in, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks.